Violating an Indiana protective order can have serious consequences. Here's what you need to know to stay out of jail. Violating a protective order is called invasion of privacy. Invasion of privacy starts as a Class A misdemeanor. However, it very easily jumps to a level 6 felony if there's a prior conviction for invasion of privacy. A level 6 felony is 2.5 years in jail, and a misdemeanor is 1 year in jail. You don't want any of that. So the reason why this law firm fights protective orders so passionately is because it's almost like a backdoor to get criminal charges. And it's insidious. People don't often appreciate or understand how important a protective order is, because once it's granted, if you are alleged to have a phone call, text message, passing a message to an intermediary, even if the evidence is weak, a lot of police officers simply say, hey, you know what? Domestic violence with a crime, it's invasion of privacy. We're going to arrest first, let the prosecutor figure it out, let the attorneys figure it out. But that's still going to result in you being in jail overnight or longer trying to deal with this. Protective orders are insane how easy they're granted and then how serious the consequences of a violation after has been granted. We take protective orders very seriously at this law firm because we have seen the devastating effects of protective order and invasion of privacy charges, and we have seen how easy it is for a person to abuse a protective order and then make allegations of invasion of privacy. People in this world are always looking to get a strategic advantage. That's a fact. Everybody is. So people that are fighting, people that want more money from the significant other, people that are trying to get a leg up in a family law situation, child custody, housing, they'll often use protective orders so they have an advantage. So they'll get the protective order and then they'll still have contact with the person they file it against. Hey, how are you? Hey, I need some money. Hey, will you come pick up these kids? Hey, I need a ride. And then, the other person responds and then nothing happens until the person that filed it's pissed off or mad about something. Hey, I can't give you any money this time. My check's a little low. This person's texting me. Here's the text. Arrest him, invasion of privacy. See you in court, facing a year in jail. Oh, you can't pick up the children because you're on a date? Invasion of privacy. Police can pick them up. It is terrible and it's easy to be abused. We don't like that. I don't like people getting taken advantage of in this law firm. Nobody here does. It really makes me mad to see people get taken advantage of and set up for failure. So we take protective orders very serious in this law firm. If you have any questions about protective orders, give me a call. 317-632-3642. We will talk about protective orders all day. But most importantly, remember to always plead the fifth.